How to open Santander Bank account online. Hello everyone, and in today's video, I'm thrilled to walk you through the process of either opening or registering for a brand new account with the Santander Bank. It's really crucial that you watch the entire video until the very end to grasp the steps effectively. If you're keen on setting up an online banking account with the Santander Bank, here's a detailed guide on how to get started. Begin by launching a web browser of your preference, and once the browser is opened and running, navigate to the address bar and input www.santanderbank.com and hit enter. You will be directed to the official Santander website, which boasts a user-friendly interface. In case you're already a registered user in an online banking account, simply head to the login button over here, which is situated at the top right-hand corner. Input your user ID along with the password in the provided pop-up box and click on login button to gain access to your account seamlessly. However, if you're a newcomer and have yet to enroll for an online banking account, locate the first time user enroll now option positioned below the login button and click on it. To kickstart the enrollment process, you'll be required to verify your identity through various options. Opt for either the account number or the ATM, debit, credit card verification method. For instance, I'll be selecting the account number verification. Ensure that you input the correct account number issued by your bank and subsequently type in your last 4 digits of your social security number. If you do not possess a social security number, click on Don't Have SSN link. Upon entering your details, proceed by clicking on the Continue button over here and verify the information that matches the requirements set by your bank. Once your details have been authenticated successfully, you can finalize the enrollment process promptly. Simply follow the on-screen instructions till the completion to set up your Santander online banking account efficiently. This includes the comprehensive steps on how to effortlessly create an account with the Santander Bank. I trust that you found this video to be helpful. Do show your support by giving us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more insightful videos in the near future. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.